Black. Alpacas, they're alpacas, look. Be easy, you guys.
Spit on you.
They will spit on you.
Robin, what are you doing in there?
Look at that one over there looking like Biscuit. Biscuit, come here.
Mom.
Y'all don't stick those in there. They
Mom.
They will spit on you.
Yeah, I know.
That stinks, bro.
And
Hand, Boogie.
I found Chris shoe.
Hand. Excuse me.
hi.
Oh, look, it's go.
That looks like me at 2 o'clock in the morning.
You love those nuts. Her's got babies in her belly.
Robin does.
No, that one does.
We're not no babies, though.
That brown one does.
We're not no babies, though. Mama.
Hands. 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 No, you're not holding her. Oh, please do not feed me. I have to eat special food at set time.
Stop.
Oh, look at them. They're so fucking cute. Don't feed them. Don't eat them because they eat it a certain time.
Those are sheep.
Sheep.
What cheese?
There.
Ah, come on, hands.
What cheese? Mama?
No, put hand
Mama.
sanitizer now. Hand sanitizer.
Mama.
Squirt.
Around.
Y'all
You
are
fake
out of
as a
hand
snake,
sanitizer,
man.
or y'all got people thinking y'all got hand sanitizer here. Y'all lying to people.
Sanitation is key, huh?
Damn lie. Cool, I'm already gonna tell them about that. Which way? Let's go back to the house. See where Green is. No,
Left,
we have to go
left,
here.
left. There's a certain way. Where do you Over there,
start?
at the
Over
front.
here. Look, up front. It's a maze. You have to figure out. You have to walk. Come on, ready? Hold on, let me put the video on. Let's go. Go. Go, Harrison.
Yeah.
Go. You have to figure out how to get out.
I already know.
Brayden, don't tell them either.
It's because you're taller.
Yeah. Uh-oh, Boogie, no, you're in the no, go back out.
Pearson's gonna win. Pearson won.
High five! Yeah, high five! Yeah.
All right, back in your seat.
Come on, Brayden.
Get in there. Hold it,
And
hold
the
it, hold
birthday
it.
boy comes in last. Can I get one more smack on that ass? 4!
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Come on, Adam, whip his ass.
Come on.
Come here, Boogie. Look, did you not see that look on that little boy? He just got knocked over and not paying attention to me. Hold my hand. Here, let's see. What do you do? No pushing, no standing on tubes. You have to crawl through these.
No, you sit on it.
No, you don't, Rob.
Swing.
No standing on the tubes, no jumping
Do we swing?
in the tubes while moving.
Yeah.
It's like a pony ride, pretty much.
Come on, get your kid on here, Robin, so I can, No, he can't stop, Brayden. Boogie. Stop making me yell.
Pull your string tight.
You got to do something, Robin Taylor. You're not
Yep.
just going to have me doing all this work. Get on it, Brayden. Come on.
Rock it real hard, I'll do it. Get on there.
What? All right, Ray Bruce, yeah.
Ruben Butcher.
Oh, your kid just felt a hump, Bruce. And he thinks it's funny. Come on, no, we're not doing it.
I do it too hard.
Come on. Yeah, you fucking straight made it fall. Boogie, come on, Clement. Let's run. Come on.
Pull your shirt down.
Okay, I not do it that hard again.
Chill out.
I thought that was real for a second. Behind me.
Go down there and take a picture of Rick and Ben and shoot that photo.
Come on, Erickson. Throw your hand up. I need some lotion bad. I'm hungry. Look, you don't push nobody, okay? Grab all the Thanks anyway.
Do it again, Rick.
I knock out the tail on that.
Yeah, it's coming off. We just got one more. Last shot. I'm gonna hit that headlight. Ready? I got the windshield. I got the rest of the windshield, didn't I?